Hi everybody. Today I just want to make mention of a small lightweight product that's often overlooked. It's known as a grounding band kit, and it's the smallest product in our range, but it's a great little item to simply get grounding while you're relaxing, maybe watching TV or even at a workstation. I've used it when I've been traveling on my motorcycle because it's small and lightweight. Motorcycling, of course, doesn't allow for a great deal of luggage. Have a look at this. These are the components that we provide. These are the items that make up your grounding band kit. So firstly, of course, the Type B grounding adapter. So this plugs directly into your socket outlet. Secondly, the lead, so this coiled lead, if it was fully stretched, it's going to be around 19 feet long. Obviously it just plugs straight in here, that goes into your socket, and then the final part of the puzzle, your band, which of course is going to clip here. So simply it's elasticated, and the idea is to put it around your ankle or your wrist, whichever part of the body is comfortable. Tighten it up. It wants to be reasonably firm, and once that's done, of course, you'll be getting the benefits of grounding. Great for when you're sitting relaxing in the evening, or potentially set it up at your work desk so that while you're sitting working for a while, you can have the benefits of grounding as well. Simple, lightweight, and a great product to travel with.